Did you know a hospital nurse risked everything to expose doctors selling organs to the highest bidder? Kimberly worked as a kidney transplant coordinator at Memorial Hospital. Her job was simple: match organs with patients based on medical need, not money. But when she reviewed patient files one Tuesday morning, something felt wrong. Wealthy patients were jumping the waiting list while poor families watched their loved ones die. She discovered dozens of cases where money determined who lived or died. The hospital director called her into his office the next week. He offered her a department head position to stay quiet, then threatened her nursing license when she hesitated. Her husband worried about their mortgage. Friends warned about retaliation. But Kimberly couldn't sleep knowing people were dying for profit. She agreed to wear a wire during the next staff meeting. Her hands shook as the director to openly discuss the organ trafficking scheme. Federal agents arrested him that same day for medical fraud. Kimberly received a National Ethics Award and became the new federal compliance director.